The State and Statism. 300. The 10 Fundamentals of Modern Statism. Chalcedon Report number 237, April 1985. 1. The first duty of every state is to protect the state, not the people. 2. Other states are occasional enemies. The people are the continual enemies. 3. The purpose of taxation is confiscation, control, the redistribution of wealth, control, the support of civil governments, and control. 4. All steps to increase state power must be done in the name of the people, but the people are to be used and stripped of freedom in the process. 5. Freedom is dangerous. Controls are good. 6. Freedom must be redefined. It is the right to be morally loose and irresponsible, but Christian morality is social slavery. 7. Children are the property of the state. 8. The two great sources of evil are the church and the family. 9. The only world is the world. There is no God, no heaven or hell. 10. Anything the state operates or does is good in any and all spheres: education, war, peace, spending, and so on. What is, quote, public, end quote, or status is good. What is, quote unquote, private is bad.